Hi, my name is Juan Sebastián Ospina Hernandez. I am 20 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Zipaquirá, Cundinamarca. I am security guard in supermarket success. My preferred hobby is play video games and read books. I live with my mother, my father, and my sister. I am studying psychology in the National University Open and Distance. My preferred food is big hamburger. My preferred program TV is Dragon Ball Z and Bioshock Infinite and Fear Factor. My preferred sport is volleyball. My daily routine, well, in the morning I get up, prepare my breakfast, take a shower, dress, and go to my jobs. In the afternoon, I lunch and continues in my work. After night, I read and perform my homework. Thank you very much.